So here's a floor in some sort of funny U shape, and Angie is varnishing it, and we're given information about the amount of varnish she needs, how much varnish she's got, and does she have enough? Well, let's have a look. First thing we're going to need to do is to find the area of the floor. So let's split this up into sort of useful shapes. There we go, 3 rectangles. This distance here is 6 minus 2, is it not? Which is 4 meters, because this distance, given I've made a rectangle, is 2 meters. And the 2 little rectangles at the top are the same. So this one is going to be, the big one rather, is going to be 4 times 10. This one is 2 times 2.5, and so is this one. So the first thing we can say is the area that needs to be covered is 2 times 2.5 plus 2 times 2.5 plus 4 times 10. So that's 5 plus 5, because 2.5s are 5. 4 times 10 is 40, and so we have an area of a nice round 50 square meters. Okay, so how many litres of varnish does she need? So the varnish needed is, well, that's quite an easy calculation. We've got 50 square meters. Each litre covers 5 square meters, and so we need 10 litres of varnish. Okay, and the varnish she has, so the varnish in the tins she has, so the varnish had is equal to, well, 3 tins at 2.5 litres each. What's 3 2.5s? Let's do that over here. Well, we know that 2 times 2.5 is 5, and 5 plus 2.5 is 7.5, and so 3 times 2.5 is 7.5 litres. So she doesn't have enough varnish. So Angie does not have enough varnish. Because 7.5 is less than 10. Let's just say that 7.5 is less than 10, and we've said everything we can say.